The Ciwete 2-quart saucepan with lid. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Came packaged very nicely. All right, so here it is. 2-quart saucepan, stainless steel. Looks good on my stove already, I like it. It's got like a stay cool handle on that. We're gonna have to test that out. Really nice looking lid with a good seal on here. I like the riveted design on here, looks really nice. Same riveted design right here. Actually has the measurement levels printed on the side right here, which I really like because I know how much I'm putting in the pot. Very nice, nice design, nice looking design. This may not be important to everybody, but I just wanted to check that this does in fact work with my induction stove. But I'm really good at boiling water. Some perfectly measured amount of pasta in here. Yep, that's it. Well, there we go. One thing I want to point out, the handle, very nice and cool from about here down. It gets hot as it gets closer to the pan, but totally fine. I like that. I've cooked these baby macaronis into full-grown adult macaronis. Let's dump these in the strainer and see if we get any stickage. A little bit there, that's from me first firing the heat up when I first started it. I should have stirred it more, but not bad. I just wiped it out with a paper towel, all good. We're going to make some sauce now. That's a whole entire jar of this inside of there. Plenty of room to spare. And I'm gonna dump all my other stuff in here. Off we go. Put that on low for a while. Let's dump this out and I'll hit this with some water and we'll see if we have any stickage in there, if anything's stuck. Nothing at all. No stickage at all. I love it. Got some Jello pudding going in here. So I just filled it up to the half-quart mark on the pan. Didn't even need a measuring cup. The pudding is done. Look at that. Big bowl for me. Not sticking to it at all. That's just me with the wooden spoon. See what it looks like. That's after making pudding. That's not bad at all. Look at that. Just running it through the sink. Let's try the sprayer. Well, look at that. That's just from hitting it with the sink sprayer. Obviously I have to clean it a little more, but pretty good.